Batumi is as beautiful in winter as it is in summer. At sea, real storm. Winter weather is unpredictable. The most common type of winter weather in Batumi is a combination of rain, snow, and wind. Rains usually fall in late November or early December, and then again in mid-February. Snowfalls are usually light and short. In February and March, the winds are usually gusty and come from the southwest, bringing with them warmer temperatures. Most days the city is flooded with summer like bright sun. There are only 6 rainy days for each winter month. In winter, tourists flock to Georgia to visit ski resorts. Gudori, the most famous ski resort in Georgia. Gudori operates 14 lifts of the Austrian company Doppelmayr and the French Poma. It is worth going to Tetnuldi for the sake of the longest descent, 9,500 meters. The total length of the slopes is 25 kilometers. The possible height difference is 800 meters. The ski resort Hatzfali is located on the Zeruldi Ridge. The lower lift station was built at an altitude of 1,865 meters. The highest point is 2,347 meters. In Bakariani, the Didveli, Crystal, Tatra, Mitarbi, and Kokta tracks are available. The total length is about 20 kilometers. There are 2 lifts in Goderdi. The resort is best for those who like to ride in the forest on the slopes with its heavy snowfalls and remote location.